Hey guys, good morning. So it is January 2nd, but today I have an appointment with Dr. Sino. I'm going to see him for just a little bit more lip injections. I can see how people get addicted to them and end up looking like a blow-up doll because you don't really notice a difference after a while. I can definitely tell a difference. I just want a little bit more. So I'm heading there today with Tony, but now I'm pretty much done my big thing of lemon water, and so I'm gonna go ahead and make my bulletproof. And I've been sipping on this. I'm not hungry right away, so I start my first meal when I'm hungry and I eat when I'm hungry. So now let's just make the bulletproof. Another day, another bulletproof. We need to take down my Christmas decorations. I'm like losing it. I want them down. So before I leave, I wanted to make, because I have an appointment, I want to make vegan sour cream. I'm using the hot for food recipe, so I'll link it down below. I have soaked cashews that I started soaking over last night. A bunch of different things, but I'll link it down below. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it up because I wanna make like my chicken quesadillas this week, and having a vegan sour cream option would be great. Wow, I have to say this is definitely a vegan hot for food win. It tastes so good. My ideas are already flowing for what we can do with this. It's gonna be so good. Snowy downtown Montreal Tony outfit of the day.
Steve Madden. TNA, old Zara,
Nice phone case. It's super snowy today. Now we're at Dr. Sino's new office. First time seeing it. I'm wearing these great slippers. We're seeing Dr. Sino's new office, and I love all this art. It's like pop art. Look how cool. Very New York. Yeah. Oh, this is your office? I'm in Dr. Sino's office, and he has this fossil. It's I can touch it?
Yeah.
It's a triceratops spine.
Oh my god.
Where do you even find this?
Different places. After
places?
82, it's not illegal anymore to trade the fossils.
Oh, wow.
That
crystal.
tusk there, it's not an elephant tusk because I love nature, like life. But that's from a woolly mammoth in Siberia, so that's 100,000 years old.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
How do you, I don't get how you find all this stuff.
This is a very, very rare gem. It's a octahedron fluorite crystal. It's very rare to find it this big and it's well preserved.
And then the wood.
Yeah, beautiful. Root. That's a 200 million year old petrified wood. Do you see how it flipped on the side? Tony, Alicia, do you want to see it? Is that enough for you?
What do you mean flip?
Yeah, like you said, you want look at here.
Oh yeah, no, that's good. That's perfect. Just leaving Dr. Sino's office now. I'm probably gonna sit in traffic for a while, but I'm really happy with how the lips turned out. We did another half of a syringe. Hey guys, so sorry for the bad lighting. I'm trying to like get as much light going in my car as possible. Today was not a normal eating day for me. I left for, well, I had my bulletproof a little bit later today, and then I had an appointment with Dr. Sino at around 2, and so I left, no, I had an appointment at 3, so I left my apartment around 3. Oh, fuck. Had my appointment around 3, so I left around 2 with Tony. And I brought 3 clementines with me, and then I had dinner at Mike's dad's house tonight. So I didn't show what I ate at Mike's dad's, but I can just tell you. So anyways, on my way home from the clinic, I had my 3 clementines, and honestly I wasn't even hungry though. What we had for dinner at Mike's dad's house was prime rib. I have eaten so much red meat the past couple of weeks, which is good because I feel like I don't get enough iron, but it's kind of like a lot. I just had like a piece of prime rib. I didn't eat the fat. There was no gravy or anything. It was just like the juice that came out of the meat. And then I had like 1.5 potato wedges. Like a potato was cut into quarters, and I had 1.25 quarters because I'm not a big like just plain potato fan, even though they were really good. This vlog is not going to be really interesting, but I'm going into Walmart now because I want to make this yogurt. I'll explain a little bit more at home, but I've been meaning to make my own version of the For those of you who are familiar, there's this brand called Coconut Cult, and they're like $27 jars of yogurt because it's like very, like, it's good fats, it's coconut, it's full of probiotics. So I'm gonna make my own and we're gonna document it. So this vlog is probably gonna be super boring, but this is just real life. Hey guys, so I'm so tired and I want to take off my makeup. I feel like I look like a kid that was playing in makeup all day. I just want to take off my makeup. I just got my video uploaded, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. Yesterday's video was a little bit more about like collagen. It was a lot, most of the video was like just a sit down video. I don't know why this shirt is making it look like I'm wearing too tight of a bra, but I'm not. Like, it's not even going over. I don't get it. Anyways, so I'm going to show you what I got quickly at Walmart so I can put all this stuff away. This I did not get at Walmart. I just had it in the car, so I brought it in. I got a set of new cookie sheets because mine are really nasty looking. When I first moved in, I bought them at Costco and I didn't put down like parchment paper or anything, and they got really nasty. So I'm gonna throw these out, and I got like a set of 3, and I like this little one. I got a cucumber because Mike and I have been like obsessed with cucumbers lately, and the bootables are just like to dip. I got some carrots because I want to make a soup this week. Some bananas. I got the tahini that I hope this is, yeah, tahini for the hummus I'm gonna make. Coconut water for the recipe we're about to make right now. Some egg whites, I like to just have that on hand. Some fresh coconut meat. Some coconut milk. If you're gonna make this recipe, I wouldn't suggest using like the light version, because the light version is mostly water, and yeah, I just wouldn't skimp on that. Sweet potato cubes for the soup, and I had to restock up on some lemons. I also got this glass jar that I'm gonna clean, and that is to put the coconut yogurt in. I like that there was an airtight seal. I pretty much made the entire thing. You put the meat of 1 coconut, a cup, I put a can of the, well, I just put the entire can of the coconut milk. It tastes really good already, so I can't see how this is gonna be bad. Juice 1 lemon. Now I just need some, so you just need a little honey, a little sprinkle of sea salt, and now I'm gonna go get my Vitamix I'm like such a mess tonight. Crisis averted. I made my own little DIY Band-Aid. So now I have my Vitamix. I'm just gonna put the cap on and we're gonna go and blend this up. I only did half a cup of coconut water. Oh yeah, by the way, I did add coconut water. So if I need to add a little bit more, I will. I think I did something wrong, because every recipe I looked at online, they're just like smooth, and mine is not. The only thing I could think of is there was that brown peel on the coconut, and I couldn't peel it off. I tried. So I'm thinking that might be it, but even, I don't think that was enough to make it this like chunky and not like thin. Maybe I put in too many probiotic capsules and it curdled. I don't know. It just doesn't look how it should. So this was kind of a fail. Does anyone have any like suggestions or ideas about why it went wrong? I really don't know. I'm guessing it probably has something to do with the skin of the coconut. I added more coconut water, so it's very liquidy, but I'm gonna let it sit like the recipe calls for. It tastes good, that's the thing. It tastes good, so we'll see. It actually tastes really good, so I'm kind of disappointed, but we'll let it sit and we will see. If you guys have any tips though, let me know. Okay, so normally I don't like to eat later, but since I didn't really have a lunch and I had a very small dinner, I didn't have dessert or anything, I'm having 2 pieces of Ezekiel toast. 1 with banana, 1 with strawberry, a little extra banana, and that's my last thing. I'll have water with it, but I was hungry. I didn't eat enough today, so this is what I'm having.